Step 1, wake up because you have to go to school. Step 2, get out of bed and go downstairs and eat breakfast. Step 3, eat breakfast with your family. Step 4, go to school.
What's up, bro?
Nothing really. Step 5, get on the bus. Step 6, get inside your school. Step 7, sit down.
Good morning, class. Today we will learn about the American Revolution.
Yay, my favorite subject.
30 minutes later.
Wait, why do I smell something funny?
Oh, my Trollge, the alarm, which there is a real fire, is on. Everyone get out the building.
Step 8. Get out of the school. Step 9. You make it out only to see your school in flames.
Why did only 4 of us come out?
Unfortunately, everyone else in there didn't make it and turned into rust Trollge.
We should go home now.
4 hours later.
Welcome to Trollge News. Today Trollge High School burns down. As you see in the picture, the school is burning down. Also, there are claimed 57 deaths and 89 missing today in this tragedy.